Hi guys, in this video I will start to prepare my new engine for the track car. Stay tuned. Welcome to another GoForIt video. If you enjoy this kind of content, do not forget to subscribe and activate notifications. As you guys probably know, I have a Mazda MX5 just for track use. And at this point the car has the 1.6 engine stock, nothing special done to the engine, just a different air intake, but nothing too crazy. I think now it's time to make an upgrade, and I bought myself this 1.8 VVT engine, and it will be turbocharged to make stage 1 for the car. I call it stage 1 because the plan is to keep the stock internals on the engine and put it all together and tune it to around 200 wheel horsepower. I think it will be a good number and a really fun car to drive. This is my plan for now, before I start to work on the engine. I will perform a leak down test. It will be the first thing I will do on the engine, and I'm hoping to find a good and healthy engine. If not, if I have some catastrophic failure inside and I have to open the engine, then I will consider what to do, if I go straight to forged internals or what I will do. It will depend, I need to see, but hopefully it is good and fine and healthy and I can use the stock internals as they are without the need to open the block. I will start by removing the VVT, the valve cover, the EGR and probably the intake. After this I will do the leak down test and then I will see what is the result. If the engine is okay, we can proceed. If not, we need to re-evaluate the plan and see how to proceed. I will start by removing the VVT. First these two bolts, then this bracket, these two, and this one here. This is 12 mm, all the others are 10 mm. With this I can remove all the oil line from the VVT and attach it with the pickup here. It will come the oil pressure switch. Here on top you have another 10 mm with a bracket that holds the hard line. After that I can take these 4 10 mm bolts and remove the VVT assembly totally from the valve cover. For now I will keep all the bolts in place, just not to lose track of them. Next, I will remove the coils. We keep using the 10 mm, and we can take these bolts here . I have here the first one free. We need to pull the plug here, and now this one, and they are both loose now. The first arrangement is out. As usually, the bolts go to the same place. And now I will take the one for the cylinder 1 and 4. 2 and 3 are out, now 1 and 4. Next, I will take the cam angle sensor, that in this case it is broken. I have a new one already. So this one is trash now. I will now proceed to take away the intake. This is how it is now. It's not that hard. So we have a lot of studs with nuts that we need to take all along the intake manifold. So we need to take this breather hose here, that I will for now just take it from the valve cover. We need to take this water line that goes to the oil cooler that I will not use anymore, because I have already an external oil cooler and we will adapt it here. So this hose will not need it. We will not have water flowing here to the intake. With the 12 millimeters, let's start to undo the intake manifold. With all the nuts off, all the pipes disconnected, I think I'm now ready to take the intake off. Okay. Not yet. I really have to take the fuel line bracket, so the fuel line stay attached to the rail, of course. Now it's for real. There it comes. At this point I will take the opportunity to remove these lines that goes to the oil cooler, because as I told you before, I will not use it anymore. For the time being I will keep the oil cooler here in place, because I need to strip and clean all the block, and this way I prevent some debris to get in the oil line. We are now ready to remove the valve cover. Not sure if needed, but I will follow the reverse order of the tightening sequence. So I will start by the number 11 to crack it loose, the 10, the 9, the 8, the 7, the 6, 5, 4, the 3, 2, 1. So the torquing sequence, it's the reverses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now we need to remove the valve cover, and it can be a little bit stuck, of course. It's here for some time now. We can use a big flat screwdriver in one of these surfaces and just give it a little push up, nothing too crazy. See, just like here, and you start to take it. I think now it's free. you can just come and push it straight up and it will be off. This is the status of my head at this point. Please let me know in the comments if you can see something that is not okay, because I have little to none experience with this kind of engine. It's the first time I'm opening it, so here you have the close-up, and please leave in the comments something that you spotted that it is not right, or something that I must address and make better. To end this part, to end this video, I will remove the 4 spark plugs. And let's see how they are. The spark number 4. Well, it seems okay to me. Number 3, it seems nice. Number 2, okay. And the number 1, also nice. I will end this video here. I hope it was useful to you. We have removed all the top stuff on the engine. This can be useful for you, for example, if you want to paint the valve cover, something that I will do. I will take care of that, but that's for another video. Now we are ready to move on and do the leak down test to check if our engine is okay and if you can proceed as planned. I really hope you enjoyed this video. The next one will be really nice. It will be the leak down test, and I will show you in detail how to do it. As usual, if you like it, subscribe, activate the notifications. Check also my Instagram. I post some updates on Instagram. You have the links here down in the description. As usual, if you want to help to spread the word about the channel, just share the video on your social networks and leave some comments below to keep the algorithm happy. Thank you. See you in the next one. Bye.